With Beautiful Soup, you can also modify the tree and write your changes as a new HTML or XML document. There are several methods to modifying the tree: string, append, navigable string, new tag, insert, insert before and insert after, clear, extract, decompose, replace with, wrap, and unwrap. String attribute is used to modify the string values. Append works similar to the append functionality of the Python list. Navigable string is used to add string value to a document. New tag is used to create the new tag. Insert is used to insert the content or values in the desired numeric position. Insert before and insert after insert values before and after the given position, respectively. Clear is used to remove the content of the tag. Extract is used to remove a tag or string from the tree and returns the extracted tag or string. Decompose is used to remove a tag from the tree and destroys the content completely. Replace with is used to replace a tag with another. Wrap is used to wrap an element in the tag and returns a new wrapper. Unwrap is used to replace a tag with an element inside a tag. This demo shows the ways to modify a web tree to get the desired result with the help of an example. Import the required libraries to perform web scraping. Here, we have imported Beautiful Soup tool for the web scraping process. Once the required libraries are imported, the next step is to create an HTML web document. Here, we have created a web document based on the employee's basic details. Create a soup object and pass the web document as a parameter. Note that we have used HTML parser to parse the web document as it belongs to the HTML type. The HTML document is parsed and it's ready for future modifications. It's possible to access and view a particular tag. In this example, the employee tag is accessed and viewed. To add a new tag, the new tag method is used. Here, a new tag, rank, is added. In addition, a string value, manager1, is inserted after the new tag rank using insert after method. To add a new tag, the new tag method is used. Here, a new tag, rank, is added. In addition, a string value, manager1, is inserted after the new tag rank using insert after method. If the performed modification was wrong, using the clear method, we can clear the last modification. Note that in this example, manager1, the last modification, is cleared from the generated output. To retrieve information from the parsed web document, use the extract method. Here, the first string name, John, is extracted. use the replace method to replace a string or value with a different value. Observe that the first name, John, is replaced with first name. You have now learned the various ways to modify a tree. Sometimes you'll be in a position to pick where to parse only a part of a document. In this case, it's a waste of time and memory to parse the document